following the recent crankcase pressure sensor video I made, quite a few people requested to purchase the crankcase pressure sensor coupler fitting I made out of brass, and I've decided to start making them. The main benefit of the kit is to improve the seal between the crankcase hose and the pressure sensor itself. So it's machined from brass, nice accurate fit, shouldn't have any leaks. So if you'd like one of the fittings, I'll put a link in the description of this video, and it includes a stainless steel nut and washer, and also a couple of much easier to use clips which provide better clamping force as well. So I think I really like the kit. You should note that it does require modification of the tray, as I pointed out in the original video. And if you're in the US, Mike at Takomoto